This beast prints like a maniac. Zebra ZT411 review. Is it the GOAT of industrial label printers? Let's face it, you've been burned by slow, clunky label printers that jam when you need them most. You're juggling inventory, shipping deadlines, and barcode chaos, only to get stuck with error messages and wasted labels. Your operations deserve a printer that actually keeps up. Instead, you're babysitting tech that belongs in a museum. Every print delay costs you time, focus, and your last shred of patience. You didn't start your business to spend half your day troubleshooting hardware, yet here you are, again, rebooting and rage-clicking. Sound familiar? Now stack that frustration with real-world pressure. Orders are piling up. Customers are waiting. Your shipping department's about to mutiny, and the boss wants everything faster. You're sweating over missed compliance deadlines, mislabeled pallets, and lost inventory in a black hole of chaos. Label quality? Forget it. The printer's chewing through ribbons like a kid with candy, and every breakdown feels like it's taking your reputation down with it. Stress levels are off the charts, and you know something's gotta give, before it's your sanity. That's where the Zebra ZT411 thermal transfer industrial printer roars in like a barcode beast on steroids. This isn't just a printer, it's a full-blown operations weapon. With a blazing 14-inch per second print speed, ultra-clear 203 dots per inch resolution, 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, and smart connectivity, USB, Ethernet, serial, and Bluetooth, this thing doesn't flinch under pressure. From RFID encoding to direct thermal and thermal transfer magic, the ZT411 handles manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and retail chaos without breaking a sweat. No jams, no guesswork, just high-octane label perfection, every time. What sets this bad boy apart? Bi-color status LEDs keep your whole team in the loop at a glance. The dual-mode thermal tech gives you total flexibility whether you're printing rugged asset tags or crisp shipping labels. It's Energy Star qualified, so it's saving you cash while it works overtime. Mount it anywhere, tight spaces? No problem. You can load up a massive 8-inch roll and just let it rip. Are RFID ready? Check. Enterprise-grade construction? Absolutely. This isn't some office toy. This is warehouse-hardened, battle-tested label gear for people who move real stuff. Don't let your team suffer through another printer meltdown. Upgrade to the Zebra ZT411 today and join thousands of businesses already experiencing next-level speed, precision, and peace of mind. Stock is flying off the shelves faster than a next-day shipment. Click now, gear up, and finally print like you mean it. Your future operations will thank you, and your stress levels will finally take a coffee break.